Imagine a world where you can lose weight while still enjoy your favorite foods, such as avocados, cheese, and bacon. Welcome to the world of Keto Diet, a universe where fats are your friends and carbs, well, not so much. So, what exactly is this Keto Diet? Originating from the 1920s as a treatment for epilepsy, the ketogenic diet, or the Keto Diet for short, has then since taken the fitness realm by storm. But why, you may ask? Well, the keto diet allows many people to eat the types of foods that are high in fat that they truly enjoy, such as red meats, fatty fish, nuts, cheeses, and butters, while still losing weight. Normally, our bodies run on carbohydrates. They're like the gasoline that fuels our everyday activities. But when carbs are scarce, our bodies need a plan B, and that's when we turn to fats. In a keto diet, you drastically cut down the carbs and you replace them with healthy fats. This reduction in carbs puts your body in a metabolic state called ketosis. This is like flipping the switch in your head saying, hey, we're now running on fats. But like any diet, it's not all sunshines and bacon strips. The keto diet has its fair share of critics. Some argue that it's too restrictive. Some express concerns about potential long-term health effects, but many have found success with it and swear by its effectiveness. So how can you start a keto diet and lose weight quickly? Well, get ready because I'm about to take you on a keto journey that'll take you from carb lover to fat burner. Well, starting a new diet can be daunting, but fear not. We're going to break the keto diet into easy to follow steps. This isn't rocket science, it's more like pie. Delicious, low-carb, keto-friendly pie. First off, let's talk about macros. Macros are short for macronutrients, the three categories of nutrients that you eat the most and provide you with the most energy, muscle building, and more. These are protein, carbohydrates, and fats. On a keto diet, you will be eating a lot of fat, a moderate amount of protein, and very few carbs. When you think of protein, think healthy options like healthy fatty fish, beef, chicken, and even high quality vegan sources are great options. When it comes to fat, these are going to be the fire that fuels our bodies during our keto diet. So go for excellent sources such as eggs, healthy oils, and butters. Generally, popular ketogenic resources suggest an average of 70 to 80% of your calories daily come from fat. Alongside that, 5 to 10% should come from carbohydrates, and 10 to 20% of your calories should come from protein. So for a 2,000 calorie diet, this translates into about 145 grams of fat, roughly around 40 grams of carbs, and around 75 grams of protein. However, it's important to note that if you are looking to add or preserve any muscle mass, you should sacrifice a bit more of your fat intake and replace that with more protein. Why, you may ask? Well, protein are the building blocks of life, literally. Protein is responsible for helping create new muscle mass and preserve lean muscle while dieting. See, when dieting, it's common to cut out calories, so eating enough protein is going to help your body preserve as much muscle mass as possible, giving you that nice tone and defined look that everyone's looking for. And since being in a calorie deficit is quite common while you're trying to lose weight, it could be extremely beneficial for you to consume enough protein. So calorie deficit. What exactly is a calorie deficit, you may be asking? Well, everybody has a certain amount of calories that your body needs in order to maintain its current weight. If you intentionally want to gain weight, you need to eat more than your body needs. And if you're trying to lose weight, well, you need to eat less calories than what your body needs. I've covered this in previous videos, but a very simple and science-backed way to know what your maintenance calories are is simply taking your current body weight and multiplying that by 15. Now, this is going to give you a rough estimate of what your maintenance calories are. Now, emphasis, rough estimate. While it is highly likely that your maintenance calories are going to fall within this range, I would suggest eating at this calorie level for about maybe 2 to 3 weeks and see how your body responds. If you're eating at what you believe is your maintenance calories, yet you notice that you're still gaining a little bit of weight or you're losing a little bit of weight, adjust your calories by about maybe 250 to 300 calories or so until you find your true maintenance calories. Once you know what your maintenance calories are, create a slight deficit by cutting out about 10 to 20% of your daily calories. For example, a 200-pound person would need roughly around 3,000 calories to maintain their weight. They could cut out about 3 to 600 calories daily. This rate of fat loss is going to allow you to safely lose around 1 to 1.2 pounds of fat per week. And by the way, that's 52 to 62.4 pounds of fat loss per year. These are definitely life-changing numbers. Now, even though these are life-changing numbers, try not to create too large of a calorie deficit or don't cut too many calories. You want your results to be achievable, yet you want them to be sustainable. Cutting too many calories at once can lead to negative results, decreased quality of sleep, and a high risk of just rebounding and gaining back any weight that you actually lost. Remember, losing fat is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Following a long-term sustainable ketogenic diet can provide excellent health benefits alongside your fat loss, such as improved mental focus and alertness and higher levels of energy. Remember, just stay consistent and slow and steady wins the race. Now, making these changes in your lifestyle and in your eating habits are fantastic, and they can be a great start to your fitness journey, but that alone might not be enough to help you achieve all the goals that you may want to achieve. This is the time where we start talking about incorporating physical activity into your daily regimen. And no, I don't mean go out and go to the gym 6 to 7 times a week, do 2-a-day workouts. No. It could be as simple as starting to walk every single day or every other day, maybe going out for a jog. You could play some sports, maybe some swimming. All of these are fantastic sources of exercises that are going to help you burn more calories, feel more energetic, and just have improved health long term. Now, if you are going to add resistance training into your regimen, those can also add another plethora of benefits. For example, adding resistance training not only helps you burn more calories while you're actually working out, but it's going to help you burn more calories while you're at rest by increasing your body's metabolic rate. See, the more muscle mass that your body is able to retain, the more calories your body burns while doing its normal activities, even while, let's say, watching TV. Doing resistance training is also going to allow you to preserve any muscle mass that you currently have, like we talked about earlier in this video. That way you can achieve that nice toned, lean body for the summertime. When it comes to adding resistance training to your regimen, just take it slow, start nice and easy, and progressively increase the difficulty of your workout session per session. You could just use the concept of progressive overload, where every single week you aim to make your workouts just a little bit harder, maybe adding a little bit more weight or doing a little bit more sets. I've covered this in previous videos, and I'm going to make even more videos covering this exact same topic. With a proper combination of a good ketogenic diet, maintaining a healthy calorie deficit, and adding daily physical activity into your regimen, there's no doubt that you're going to be able to achieve fantastic changes in your body and in your lifestyle. Now, for even more fat loss tips, watch this video next.